Hello boys and girls, this is Henry Lucas from Brand Scenario, and we do hope that all of you lovely people are doing very good. So, today we'll be reviewing and unboxing a phone that has been sent to us by Infinix, and the phone is the Infinix Note 7. So let's go ahead and get on with the unboxing already. This smart mid-range phone with a 6.95-inch display features the latest powerful G70 chipset. It unlocks your phone in an instant tap with a side-mounted fast fingerprint sensor. The design of the phone is sleek and smart. The 48-megapixel ultra-high-resolution camera is the real game changer here. You can click drastically clearer shots that bring your portraits to life. Powered by an advanced AI image stabilization, the night mode will shoot blur-free and focused handheld photos in low light. The 25mm macro lens records the most intricate details, shoots without the flash capturing rich detail and color even in the dark, with the 1800 pixel low-light video camera. It comes with a powerful 5000 mAh battery with fast charging. With the battery monitor, you can manage the power consumption of the apps too. DTS audio optimizations produces crisper, louder, more balanced sound across, with or without headphones. The dark theme on this massive display makes visuals look incredibly aesthetic while using minimal phone battery. No more worrying about your eyesight now. This mode causes less strain on your eyes in dim environments. You can automatically free up space, boost games, and accelerate your network while playing games. After launching a game, the game mode automatically pops up where you can set your preferences as you please. The Infinix Note 7 comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM and is priced at $28,999. So do we recommend this mid-range phone that comes with a crazy amount of features for its price tag? That's 100% yes. For more tech updates, stay tuned to Brand Scenario's YouTube page, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to get notifications so you don't miss out on any exciting news from us, and last but not least, stay home and stay safe.